got people sitting right here on the side right here. Miami, Florida, out on the yacht, y'all, at night. Bayside. Google it up, Bayside. You get food catered.